Discussing a topic called interest on loan by partner to firm and the partner's loan account. Interest on loan by partner. It denotes loan by partner denotes partner has given loan to the firm. It means what it implies that firm shall pay interest to partner. Okay. And this interest is a interest on partner's loan is a charge
against profit.
Against profits. Number one thing, it is a charge against profits. And then the second thing is the rate of interest to be used to allow interest to the partner. So let's discuss rate of interest. If question is silent as to rate of interest, yes, no. If question is silent as to rate of interest, it shall be allowed
6% per annum.
at 6% per annum. If question is not silent as to rate of interest, it shall be allowed at given. It shall be allowed at given rate of interest. Whatever rate has been given in the question, it shall be used to allow interest on loan to the partner. The next thing involved in this topic is the loan itself. Partner's loan account. Or for clarity, we can say loan by partner. Okay, to the firm. It is a liability and has nothing to do with partner's capital. That's why a separate account is opened for partner's loan account. Any doubt?
No.
and the entry journal entry for allowing interest on partner's loan shall be interest on partner's loan account debit
to partners.
to partner's loan account. It has nothing to do with partner's capital. Partner's loan is a liability, ठीक है, an obligation on the firm. We open a separate account for partner's loan. A separate account is opened for partner's loan. So the interest shall be credited to partner's loan account if not paid. The entry shall be either interest on partner's loan debit to bank or to partner's loan if not paid. Getting my point?
Yes.
If paid, then it shall be to bank, and if not paid, it shall be partner's loan. If paid, you can directly do to bank. Even in that case, also in the case of payment, it can be routed through partner's loan account. First, take it to partner's loan account and then make the payment against partner's loan, or you can directly debit interest on partner's loan and credit bank account. To bank if paid, okay, and to partner's loan if accrued, but not paid. Got it?
Yes.
So we discussed a topic called interest on loan by partner to the firm and the partner's loan also. Topic was loan by partner to firm plus interest on loan by partner to firm. Two things are involved. One is expense, that is interest on loan by partner. Firm shall pay interest to the partner, and interest on partner's loan is a charged against profits. Whatever is a charge against profits has to be paid, whether or not it results into a loss to the organization or the partnership firm. And all the charges are basically debited to profit and loss account, either to trading account or to profit and loss account. Rate of interest, then we discussed rate of interest on this loan. If question is silent, As to rate of interest on partner's loan, we have to use the interest 6% per annum, and where it has been mentioned in the Partnership Act 1932. And if question is not silent, it means it has mentioned or given the rate of interest, so use that given rate of interest. Thereafter, we discussed partner's loan or loan by partner to the firm. It is a liability for the firm. It will sit on the liability side of the balance sheet until paid, and has nothing to do with partners' capital. A separate account is opened for partners' loan account. Journal entry for interest on partners' loan shall be interest on partners' loan account debit, because it is an expense to partners' loan account or bank account depending upon the status of payment. If it has been paid, you will credit bank account, and if it is accrued but not paid, you will credit partners' loan account. Any doubt?
No.
Based on this, we can solve the questions involving partners' loan account and interest on partners' loan account. There is one question number 56. Page number is 1.108 of T.S. Grewal. And in third requirement, it asks for a journal entry for interest on Krish loan to firm. Krish and firm. Question says that on 1st of September 2021, Krish gave a loan of rupees 40,000 to the firm, and rate of interest given in the question is 9% per annum. The accounting period is a financial year which ends on 31st of March of the next calendar year. Because the loan has been given on 1st September, the loan interest duration in 21-22 shall be from September to
31st
March. September, October, November, December, January, February, March equals to 7 months. Therefore, interest on loan shall be 40,000 into 9% into 7 by 12. 9 fours are
36,000 into 7.
3,600
3,600
into
into 7.
7 by
12.
12. 3 sevens are
21,000.
2,100 shall be the interest on loan. Now the journal entry. Question doesn't say that it has been paid. Rather, it says providing interest on loan. Providing means you are allowing, you are not paying. Okay, so we shall not be crediting bank Rather, we shall be crediting partner's loan because
Partner's
the
loan.
interest is accrued but not paid.
Pay
Journal entry shall be interest
interest on loan
on loan by
current
Krish
Krish
Debit
debited to
to
loans
loan by
by Krish
Krish account
account
2100. Narration shall be
and loan
for interest on
loan
allowed. Okay, rest of the parts have already been explained to you and you are capable of solving them, so do them in homework.